chocolate. Look, yeah, look at this body that I got. Walk out, everybody just a look for me with me steam fish and okra body.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, presenting to you Father's Day dinner special.
Yeah. Where we there now? Where we there, Jam here? Blue skies. We are gonna buy fish. What we are gonna do with that? Make some mad dish. No.
Yeah, man, it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
You know the saying, you know, steamed fish and okra must bring something. So here what? For the non-existing fathers, don't go out on a rampage and go overpopulate the nation. Just go out with precaution, because that steamed fisher, you know that's something they're going on. Steamed fish and okra business. It's not a normal setting. A lot of requests have been made for this fish, and I feel it fit to release this on Father's Day. Why? Because I love steamed fish, crackers, okra and all these good things. And I know a lot of fathers out there will appreciate you mothers making them this meal for their Father's Day. Treat him like a king, as they are. You know what I say? You don't know the things that when you come on to Mother's Day, take care of matter of fact, take care of the ladies them all year round, you know. So you know how that's something they got. But today, our day, our time to shine. We're not so perfect, but we're worth it. So make we a steamed fish with okra, crackers, and some potato in there.
Yes, goody!
But without further delay still, forward, let me show you what go on. These are perfectly normal. I have a video out on where I show you how to descale and clean your fish, and I told you if you see the eyes looking white like this when you buy it in the store, it's not good. However, these are like this because I washed it in vinegar and water, and the vinegar tends to have that effect on them whereas it changes the color. But these are perfectly normal, right? But if you get them directly from the store, the eyes are looking like this, chances are they're not good. And you also check for a firm to the touch flesh. You know what I say? So you know it's good. If you press it like that and your finger bursts through the flesh, it's getting rotten. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of pepper mix, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We just want to season like within the belly of the fish and the head. Careful of the bones, just gently rub that seasoning in, getting those creases. We're going to start off the steamed fish with some fresh ripe tomatoes, and we're using half here. You're also going to need at least 4 ounces of rich yellow pumpkin, or if you have squash you can use that as well. And of course, no steamed fish is a steamed fish without okra, so you need at least unlimited okra to your liking, right? And of course, bell peppers. I have here red and green, and I use about half bell pepper in total, right? 1 small carrot. So I have here half corn on the cob, and I cut those in half. You cannot make a steamed fish without white onions. And the star of the show, you know the thing go, Scotch bonnet, man, Scotch bonnet, and that will give the thing the real flavor. And of course, nothing cannot be completed without Morris and Time Night. Duh! So you know the thing go. Over here now, we're gonna make this a 1-pot meal for the dads. So what we go with? We go ahead with some Irish potato, because this is a 1-pot meal for dad, special Father's Day. Over here, steamed fish can't complete if you're not crackers. I'm gonna tell you, say no. All the Jamaicans know say without crackers in a steamed fish a joke dish. I'm gonna season off that to taste with a little bit of fish seasoning. This is total optional, but I find it give it a kick. Alright, so we're gonna kickstart the steamed fish by first adding into our pot 3 cups of water. Then to that, I'm gonna add my Irish potatoes, which has already been peeled, washed and cut. So you add the pumpkin and the Irish potato first hand. And I have here 6 stalks of thyme, right? I'm just gonna use half the amount. I'm gonna use half teaspoon of butter, right? One teaspoon of that powder in. And 1 slice of that Scotch bonnet pepper. Because steamed fish have is spicy, don't? So we need that butter to melt and give us that nice creamy flavor, and as well as that essence from our thyme and our Scotch bonnet peppers, right? And we're gonna boil these potatoes and pumpkin because those are the ones that take the longest to cook. Cover this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're down 15 minutes in cooking, and as you can see, we get that reduction in our liquid and the potato cut like that. You don't want them cooking any more than this, because remember, you're gonna add the fish in now, right? Make room for the kingdom, man. Proper red snapper. So I don't like to cut the tails off my fish, because when you're presenting it on a dish, it looks way better with the tails on. However, get every other aspect of it trimmed. We're gonna now go in with our corns. They don't take very long to cook unless you're getting some real tough corns. However, these are nice and soft, you see me? So put those in, bring comfort to the king. You know what I say? We're gonna go in with our onions now. So you put these ingredients last because you don't want to boil out the onion and your stuff in the liquid. You want them to give it that proper end flavor. And then we're gonna go in with our carrots. Carrots, as you know, it can be eaten raw. So we put these in, and fish takes 7 to 12 minutes to cook. Not even, depending on the size. So, and the carrots, it's gonna slow cook. We're not gonna boil it, we're gonna steam it nicely to reduce that liquid, flavorful broth, right? Put the rest of that thyme in there. Okra in. So we're gonna put half the amount, just the same, for okra, because the okra tend to change color. And we want you to identify every ingredient that we use at the very end. So what we're going to leave for last, we're going to leave half the amount of the okra, and we're going to leave the bell peppers and tomatoes. Alright, went in with half teaspoon of butter at the beginning. So we're going in 1.5 teaspoon now. The butter just give it a nice velvety texture and a nice flavor. So in with that fish tea seasoning. So in total, we use 2 tablespoons of that fish seasoning. So we're just going to cover this up and allow it to steam for 10 to 15 minutes on medium low heat. After which, I'll show you what it looks like.
Steam fish and okra body man. Steam fish and okra body man. Steam fish and okra body man. Steam fish and okra body man.
Reaching down to that reduction stage. Let's get some of that. Pour it over the fish. 5 minutes before the alarm goes off, you add your tomatoes, peppers in, and our remaining okra. I don't like when my sauce is runny, right? So 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to 2 teaspoons of water, and we'll just mix that out. Put a bit here. As you pour, you mix so it doesn't get lumpy. So 1 spot right there. You come back over here, another spot. So we're not overdoing it, and you make it to your liking, however thick you like it, right? And that way the sauce coats the veggies and the fish way better. As I said, this is totally optional. You just want to move your fish around so that it doesn't stick to your pot, right? And to finish off, the crackers. I just put those in the last 2 minutes or so.
One thing me know about me little country in a Jamaica, pot to fire can't hungry. Okra, hot pepper, tough crackers over me. Steam fish and okra body.
And there you have it, how to prepare steamed fish here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, happy Father's Day to all the real and true fathers out there. Father figures alike, even if you're not a dad, we play that role in society, big up yourself. Because guess what, we have to nurture the youth, you know. Don't get them around left them. Take care of the youth them. Safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
Let me see you another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.